Here's the tweet. The city of Oakland committing microterrorism to hide the fact they've knowingly created food deserts and disparity. Yeesh. City of Oakland officials said ProArts was violating its lease by powering a refrigerator full of free food to support the Town Fridge Mutual Aid Project, effectively threatening eviction. Other fridges at 59th and Marshall, 16th and West, 30th and Linden. My God. And here they are. So the best thing for the real estate division to do is to help keep the refrigerator there to feed the hungry rather than putting itself in this position. And Anthony, if Anthony doesn't know it now, Anthony should be aware that it is legal to publish an email. Oh boy.